In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a delivery note in Zoho Books. If you need to generate a delivery note from an existing sales transaction, Zoho Books makes the process very quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can create, preview, and print the document with confidence. To begin, log into your Zoho Books account and go to the main navigation menu. From there, click on Sales. This is the section where you can manage customer-related transactions and access the records connected to your invoices and other sales documents. Once you're inside the sales area, click on Invoices. This will open the list of invoices that have already been created in your system. Take a moment here to find the specific invoice you want to work with, since the delivery note will be generated from that record. If you have many invoices, it may help to use the search or filter options to locate the right one more quickly. After you find the correct invoice, click on that specific one to open it. This is important because you need to be inside the invoice details before you can access the print options related to that transaction. Make sure you've selected the right invoice, so the delivery note matches the customer order and shipment details you want to provide. Next, look for the PDF or print option. Click on it and then choose Print Delivery Note. This tells Zoho Books that instead of printing the invoice itself, you want to generate the delivery note version for that sale. This document is useful when you need a clear record of the items being delivered, especially for shipping, receiving, or customer confirmation purposes. After selecting Print Delivery Note, you'll be able to preview it. This is a very helpful step because it gives you a chance to verify that everything looks correct before printing. Review the document carefully and confirm that the layout, item details, and overall information appear as expected. Taking a few seconds to preview can help you avoid printing the wrong document or missing any important information. Once you've checked the preview and confirmed everything is correct, go ahead and click Print. That's it. Your delivery note will be ready to print and use. As you can see, creating a delivery note in Zoho Books is a simple process when you start from the invoice and use the print menu correctly. Just open Sales, go to Invoices, select the correct invoice, choose Print Delivery Note, preview it, verify the details, and then print.